Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Lembata Mixing Production.
If I'm looking for something, it's probably a fight. If I'm going for bitches, then they better be tight. If that's dead, then the head